I would like to integrate sine square x times cosine square x dx. The easiest way to integrate this is using trigonometric identities. So let's just remember that we have sine square x equal to 1/2 minus 1/2 times cosine 2x, and cosine square x is equal to 1/2 plus 1/2 times cosine 2x. Now, once we know our identities, we can go back and substitute them. So instead of sine square x, we're going to substitute 1/2 minus 1/2 times cosine 2x, and instead of cosine square x, we are going to substitute 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine 2x, which we have it right here. Now, once we are done right here, then we are seeing that we have a minus b times a plus b. So remember that when we multiply that, we get a squared minus b squared. Therefore, we have 1/2 squared is 1/4. We bring down the negative, and 1/2 squared is 1/4. Cosine 2x squared is cosine squared 2x. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do one more substitution, and we're going to look at cosine squared 2x, and we want to see what happens if we have, instead of x, which is the angle, we have double angle. So if you have a double angle, everything stays the same except that since x is multiplied here, or it is twice the angle, it's going to be right here. Also is going to be twice the angle. So remember that it's just still an equation. Whatever you do to the left side, you have to do the right side. That property holds. We want to keep the balance. So technically, you're not changing anything. Going back, we have 1/4 minus 1/4 cosine squared 2x. But now we know cosine squared 2x is 1/2 plus 1/2 times cosine 4x. Okay, now we're almost done. We simply simplify it. Okay, so the way we're going to do it is we're going to bring down the 1/4 down, minus 1/4 times 1/2 is 1/8, and then 1/4 times 1/2 is again 1/8, and we simply bring down our cosine 4x. Now you could see that 1/4 could be subtracted by 1/8, and if we do that, we're going to say 1/4 minus 1/8 is 1/8. Okay, and then we bring down our negative 1/8, and we have cosine of 4x. Now a very simple integral. We know that the integral of 1/8, that's a constant. You could pull it out, but you could integrate right away. 1/8, and then we have integral of 1 is just x over 8, and minus, again, we want to know how to integrate this one. So you have cosine of 4x. Remember that cosine of u du is equal to 1/4 sine 4x. In other words, you have to just factor out 1/4. And then finally multiply our answer. We get x divided by 8 minus 1/8 times 1/4 is 132, and we simply bring down our 4x, and we are done, plus a constant because the limit of integration is missing. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.